The assassination of Chairman Fred Hampton by the pigs, that it was sent through J. Edgar Hoover, and today J. Edgar Hoover's name is still on the FBI building, you could already tell what country we live in. Tariq Nasheed, why you haven't turned up for the $20 bill for Harriet Tubman and for J. Edgar Hoover's name to still be on the FBI? That's a disrespect. I would have turned up to make sure they take his name. J. Edgar Hoover was behind Chairman Fred Hampton, Pedro Albizu Campos, Martin Luther King, the whole Black Panthers, the whole Young Lords. One man, J. Edgar Hoover, destroying all of that, and they still have the nerves to have his name on the FBI building. That's why I represent my Boricua flag. I know what it is in this country. But like I said, everybody knows clearly that J. Edgar Hoover sent the pigs to kill Fred Hampton, and his name is still on the building. Yes, all the dirty pigs, it's time to go and make way for the new cops that are here to protect and serve. For the few cops that are good, mad love and respect to you. But for the pigs that are grimy and don't do what they supposed to do, you already know. FYL for y'all.